Rab, I think so, Rabat. Rabat, yeah. And this is the front door, the main gate. I'm outside of the train station, capital city of Morocco, Rabat. This is Starbucks, and that's my hotel, Ibis Hotel. This is Bertashidan. My name is Master Hashi. I am in Morocco, the capital city of Rabat. And today is my first time to visit Rabat, the capital city, and I'm exploring near to my hotel. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe, like and comment our videos. I've already promised that I'm starting exploring and traveling all around the world, but still I'm building of my channel, and I will try to do more and more, making videos. This is my hotel. I will stay here maybe 2 days from today. And I said to you guys, that's the main train station of Rabat. Really, Agdal is a very nice area. Is the most beautiful area of Rabat. Today is Friday, and I wish I will explore more and more coming soon. This is Bertashidan, capital city of Morocco, Rabat. And this is my room. This is room tour. Very small room, but very beautiful. I'm alone, and it's enough. Yeah. And this is the toilet. It's good. Yes, it's good. This is Master Hashi Bartashidan. Yes. Sometimes I ask myself why I'm alone. This is another place. It's a garden at the city center. It is the near of the Agdal center. This is the main street, which I see that in area of Agdal. Different shops, different places, including the McDonald's and clothing shops and restaurants, residential. Indeed, the beautiful area. I see also the Starbucks. Since I came to Rabat, people are not friendly with camera. Sometimes they are not interesting. Assalamu alaikum. Indeed, people are not friendly with camera, but I'm sure I'm making videos. I don't care if they like or not. This is the KFC. That is the Starbucks, and this is the McDonald's, Agdal Center. This is, they call Saudi House. I don't know why they call Saudi House. This is the Starbucks. And I believe this is the famous street of the Agdal. very famous street, many shops, and I believe this area is the place where the rich people hide. Yeah. Still, this is Bartashidan. I'm exploring of the Rabat, capital city of Morocco, and this is the area of Agdal. This is red zone. Some people, they are crossing while it's red. People, they are not sometimes considering the red or green. I see. Today is a Friday, and I said many times people are not friendly with the camera, but today I'm making video, whether they accept or not. This is Bartashidan, the capital city of Morocco, Rabat. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and comment, and share our videos. Look, beautiful cliffs everywhere. Rabat is the capital city of Morocco, Kingdom of Morocco, and really it's nice. Still, I'm exploring Agdal area, and this is also one of the main streets which tram can use, trains, small trains, buses and something like that. It is France Street, maybe, I heard. Yeah, the France Street, yeah, Avenue de France, Avenue de France, Rabat, the capital city of Morocco, Kingdom of Morocco. Some people, they knew that Morocco is a kingdom. Still, I'm exploring in Agdal, capital city of Rabat in Morocco. Fortunately, I met with the Somali consular when I was exploring in this area, and vice of the Somali ambassador, and we talk a lot. We sit the coffee, and I start again the exploring of the city. Still, I'm the city center, Agdal, Rabat, and this is Bartashidan, on the line from Rabat. This is Mr. Hashi, Bartashidan, on the line from the Rabat. And still I'm exploring Rabat. This is Agdal, Rabat, the main city. The most rich people hide here. I see the buildings, very beautiful. It's a residential area, it's a business area, and I'm walking on the main street. If you are new here, please subscribe, comment, like, and share our videos. This is Bartashidan. Still I'm in Rabat, the capital city of Kingdom of Morocco. That's the big masjid, I think. Today is a Friday. Indeed, I like the city. City is shining. People are very welcoming, while people are not welcome to the camera. They are afraid. Sometimes they are afraid the camera, and that they don't like when you exploring the city, and they say no, don't camera, don't the camera. Yeah, this is Master Hashi. Still I am in Rabat, the capital city of Kingdom of Morocco. And this is the main mosque. Exactly, I don't know the name of the masjid, the name of the mosque, but I will find soon the name. This is the Agdal. This is the Agdal. This is the hot point. This is the hot point. Yes, this is the hot point, and this is the place where people are meet each other. Yes, and this is Agdal. This is the tax of Rabat, the blue tax. Sometimes people they cross when it's red, it's green, and some car drivers are driving. I don't know why. They are not considering the law. I see this is the hot place. This is the hot place. The meeting point. When you find some body, this is the meeting point. This is the city center. And sometimes I use also Somali language. Halkani waa Bartashidan. Waxaan idinkala soo hadlayaa ama aan kasoo duubaya videogan magaalada Rabat, caasimadda boqortooyada Morocco. Halkani waa Agdal Rabat. Waa wadada ugu caansan ayaan dhihi karnaa. Halkan waa masjid weyn oo magaalada Jimcaha kale lagu tukado. Exactly ma aqaano magaciisa masaajidka, laakiin waa ogaan doonaa sida ugu dhaqsiyaha badan. Halkan waa wadada ugu caansan ee tagta magaalada bartamaheeda, marta magaalada bartamaheeda ورباط عاصمة دلك مروكو بقرطوية مروكو يا anigu waxaan ahay mudane xaashi bartashidan haddii aad fadlan ku cusub tahay channelkayga fadlan subscribe like and share iskuna day in aad ka mid noqoto asxaabteena halkani waa magaalada Rabat caasimadda dalka Morocco wali waxaan ku jiraa in aan duubo bartamaha magaalada caasimadda ah ee magaalada Rabat runtii waa ku cusbahay magaalada maanta ayaan imid waxaan joogaa wax ka yar saacad ama saacad iyo bar nasiib wanaag intii aan soo socday hadda waxaan la kulmay qonsulka magaalada u fadhiya wadanka Soomaaliya safaaradda Soomaaliyeed iyo ku-xigeenka ambassadorka safaaradda Soomaalida ay ku leedahay magaalada Rabat ee dalka Morocco laakiin dabcan kama samaynin wax filim ah mana runtii waa isku dayi doonaa inaan la kulmo mar kale oo la sheekaysto oo ka sameeyo film khaas ah laakiin maadaama ay yihiin dad diplomatic ah waa ka dhowrsaday inaan ka sameeyo film ah laakiin waxaan la kulmi doonaa ardayda dabcan ururka ardayda wax ka barata magaalada muxuu ahaayay Rabat madaxdooda qaar ka mid ah ardayda inta aan joogo magaaladana waxaan samayn doonaa filmo ama muuqaalo kala duwan meelaha aan isleeyahay waa ugu muhiimsan yihiin mar kale asxaabta sharafta leh halkan waa magaalada Rabat caasimadda dalka Morocco oo aan ku sameynayo xoogaa yar oo ah inaan ku soo socdo waxaan deganahay waddanka Sweden dabcan waxaan sameeyaa fiidiyoyo kala duwan insha Allah mustaqbalka waa laga yaabaa inaan sii sameeyo oo waxaan aan ka sii dhigto yani amal oo kale oo aan dunida dhan soo marno marka haddii aad nagu cusub tahay fadlan subscribe like and share waxaan raadinayaa maqaayadii aan wax ka cuni lahaa maqaayad carabeed ayaan ku arkay halkan oo Suuriyan ah ya halkan cid ixtiraamaysa ma leh wadada hadduu guduudan yahay dadku waa goynayaan baabuurtu haddii green uu yahay way soconayaan sheekada weli waa iska afir inkastoo aan ka imid Sweden oo sharciga adag yahay wadooyinka marka la goynayo hadduu cas yahay aan goyn karin hadduu green yahay aad soconaysa halkan isagoo green ah oo dadku socon karaan ayaa waxaa arkaysaa baabuurkii aba soo dhaqaaqay lala yaabo okay maqaayaddan waa maqaayadda aan arkay Suuriyaanka waa dhadhamin doonaa waxay meesha ku hayaan okay dhinacaas waa dhinaca hotelkii aan deganaa qaybo ka mid ah magaalada badankeeda dhinacan dambe magaalada waxaa jira dhinacan aan ka imid hadda dhinacan aan ka imid waa dhinaca iyadana maaragtay suuqii Madiina oo naga jiro runtii badana dhinacaas dambe naga jirtaa marka waa booqan doonaa dhinaca badda ayadana insha Allah xeebta dheer ee magaalada Rabat okay inshallah. This is the main cross junction in Nagdal, capital city of Rabat, and this is mosque, and this is the small garden which is many people are sitting and chilling. Today is sunny day. It's nice. Okay. This is little runabout. Maybe I'm near to the main downtown. I will check soon. It's beautiful. And this is still Agdal, Rabat.